Okay, so my name is Suchit Jain. I'm Vice President of Strategy and Business Development at Dassault Systèmes SOLIDWORKS. Well, 20 years is a long time, but I think these days everybody is talking about artificial intelligence, and of course in product design as well. We are focused around that as well, and you can expect to see in a few years from now where just like you are using your commands to generate photographs, you should be able to, with help of AI, generate products with commands, and you can see that in SolidWorks in coming future for sure. Well, so SolidWorks is about design, and it's powered and enabled by the 3D Experience platform. And 3D Experience platform is really about taking the data, because you have a lot of data, but putting a meaning to that data, all the physics and all the engineering which goes in. So 3D Experience platform really helps us create the digital twin or the virtual twin of everything. So where SolidWorks can help design with help of 3D Experience platform, we can create the virtual twin, which can help us create both at the time of virtuality, but also the physical production and the life cycle management of that product. Well, for new engineers, we work with a lot of students, as early as, I'd say they are even engineers at 7-8 years old, they're dreaming big. So our goal is to enable them. And then of course we work with graduating students, companies, startups. So my advice to all of them always is that technology now is easy, especially if you're creating products. We are making it easier for them to have the ability to create these products easily. So take advantage of it. Don't be shy. Keep on dreaming, because the world around us, with the fab labs, with the ability to manufacture, with the investments people are bringing in, we want to invest in the young people. We at Dassault Systems also want to invest in creating technology and enabling. So all the tools around them are available. The only thing they need to do is to dream and create. Yeah, I would, large enterprises, engineers are doing amazing stuff. They have a lot of experience. What I would say is that for the large companies, always the problem is around innovation. That how do you always compete with that startup, that somebody new with a new idea? They have to just break that silo. So the point there is that they have to continue to innovate and continue to learn and keep an eye on the technology where it's going. Because if they are not doing that, somebody else is, and one of their competitors or a startup will come disrupt them. So rather than that, let's focus on that. So all these engineers have tremendous experience. And one of the advice I always give is, you can actually learn by being a mentor to somebody else in your community, in your own company, where you can guide some of the younger engineers. So by mentoring, actually you learn more and you can help your company innovate more.